What's up, y'all? So I am a little bit surprised, but here we are again. I haven't uploaded a video in over 3 weeks, and I want to tell you just very quickly, I'm just having like some health issues. Nothing too major, I don't think, but I have just been so tired lately that everything makes me feel tired. So the time it takes to put in to create a YouTube video is just something I haven't been doing lately. I'm sorry for those of you who do enjoy my videos. And poor Penny, my fluffy baby kitty, had colitis, so we were dealing with that for about a week. But anyway, not really excuses, but just like kind of explaining my absence. Anyway, I'm here. I'm feeling pretty good today, so I'm going to unbag both of my Ipsys. I got the Ipsy Glam bag and then also the Glam bag Plus. So the bags I think are really cute. You've got like this little subtle spider web on the regular bag, and the zipper is a little spider. It just so happened I did spider nails. These are Impress nails from Kiss. And then the Plus is really cool looking, spooky things all over it. I actually think it's really cute, just the purple on the black. I think I did purple last time in my background, but I was like, I have to do purple. I know I've been doing my try-ons, but there's 2 reasons why I'm not doing try-ons for these. Just the way that I've been feeling physically lately, I just figured, you know what, I'll take it easy on myself, do them combined, and it'll be a little bit easier. But also, I'm gonna be honest, when I do my try-ons, I always take a peek at the bag to see like what steps I'm gonna be doing for the try-on, and half the products I just didn't really want to even use because I felt like it would just be really wasteful. Certain things in here I'd probably use one time and then never use again. While there are still a few gems, like there's still a few things I'm excited for, but usually I feel like most of the products I'm going to continue using. This time, I don't know. I just don't really think I am. So yeah, anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm gonna show you first what I got in my Ipsy Glam bag. All right, so first up, the Kopari Ultra Restore Body Butter. This is one I am excited for. I saw this product release and was like really interested. Okay, so I put a little bit on my hand. I'm just gonna test out a few things that I know I'm definitely gonna use. The only thing is, like, this feels great and I do like the quality of Kopari products, but I don't like this smell. It's the same as their body milk. I got it from Marshall's recently. I saw they had it. It's still like a current product, so I picked it up and I don't like the smell, so I basically just put it on my legs because it's got like this certain floral scent that I'm not really big on. But it's not bad. Like, this does fade, so it's not a big deal, but I do think it feels really nice. My hand feels extremely moisturized right now. I will definitely use this. If nothing else, I can use it on my legs. I also got the Fenty Beauty Pharma Calamine Pore Purging Mask. Okay, I mean, I think I'll try this. My amount of skincare that I have does get quite overwhelming at times, and I have been feeling like lately that it's time to kind of like purge like new and unopened things that I feel like, okay, I'd rather use these products than these, maybe get rid of those. So I don't know. If I feel like I'm in the mood, I'll use it, but I might pass it along to someone. You never know. But I do like Fenty Beauty. Next up, we got the YC Collection brush. I actually got a trio of brushes last month, and I don't know if this is a duplicate or not, so I didn't really want to use it. I've got so many brushes that like it is kind of nice to be able to give brand new brushes away. It seems nice. It seems like a good basic kind of blush brush. I got a lipstick. This is Basic Beauty lipstick in Fall For You. This is the packaging. Very in line with the name, just kind of a basic packaging. So that is the color. I've gotten several new kind of lip formulas lately, and I don't know if I really want to add yet another like one-off to my collection. It's kind of weird, but to me, I hate adding one of something random to my makeup collection because then it just goes with like more random ones. So sometimes I only like to get things if it's like a set. Like, I just did a lip swatch with these Moira ones. This is so much more appealing to me. I'd rather have like 10 of the same brand, just different colors, than like 10 random lipsticks. But that's just that's something I need to work on. So anyway, I'm not sure if I'll use that or not, but the color is kind of like this deep red, kind of a crimson. It's pretty. Not my favorite type of red. Like this kind of red that I have on is more my favorite. I won't swatch it just in case I pass it along to someone. And then I got the Bare Minerals Maximist Mascara. Like a little mini mascara. And that is even the brush. Still, after all this time, I have so many mascaras. I still have mascaras from Sephora that I need to like see if they're even good. New ones like this, I'm kind of just like, let me just give it to somebody who can use it right this minute. So anyway, got that Bare Minerals mascara. That's a good product to get. I do like Bare Minerals. So a mascara, a lipstick, a body butter, a face mask, and a brush. I mean, honestly, I think that's a pretty good assortment. I like the variety of the type of products. Let's go ahead and unbag the Glam Bag Plus. This one was a duplicate I've gotten. Dew of the Gods Under Eye Volumizing Collagen Pads. So this is what it looks like. It's the little tin. I recently got this in the last few months. So little under eye patches. So I feel like this is just a great thing to give to someone. It'd be like a nice little stocking stuffer. You could even break these up. I'm always thinking stockings. I love making people stockings. I don't have anybody to make them for. If I had like multiple girls to make stockings for, I'd totally like, you know, 3, 3, 3 or something like that. But yeah, there's 10 sets in there. This was what really sealed the deal. I'm trying not to be negative, but when I saw this palette, I was like, no. I'm doing a little declutter series on TikTok right now. It's just so much easier to do like short form videos right now. So I am like basically decluttering like an organizer of eyeshadow palettes at a time. I'm going through them right now, but when I saw this palette, I just could not add this to my collection. I know 100%, even if this was a good palette, I would use it once and then I'd probably get rid of it, and I just couldn't do that. So this one's gonna go to someone else. This is the Fenty Beauty True Nude, and there's nothing wrong with the way that this looks. It's just not something that I want 20 of in my collection, and I have enough. So anyway, it is kind of like a cool minimalist packaging, and here are the colors. You've got a mix of like neutral and warm tones. I do like that it's a lot more matte than shimmer, but when I saw this, I immediately know that there is probably 10 people in my life who I could give this to who would enjoy it. Next up, Dr. Brandt Facial Cleanser. This is literally the most basic. I like Dr. Brandt. I'm not being a negative, but it's like facial cleanser. That's just it. Cleanse, purify, exfoliate. It says this is for oily combination skin. So I don't recognize this cleanser. I don't know if this is new or a rebranding, repackaging, but I'm gonna look into it before I decide if I want to use it. I'm not oily. I can be combo sometimes, but again, this is something that I feel like I could give to someone who would enjoy it. I do love how sleek it looks. Anytime I get Dr. Brandt, I'm pretty happy with it. I also got the KVD Tattoo Pencil Liner. Out of this bag, there's 2 things I am excited for. This is like second in the lead. So this is just a gel liner. I'll do a little swatch. Oh! My dumbass saw this box and did not pay attention to this. This is more exciting to me. This is Verdetta. I thought it said Vendetta. Verdetta green. It's a pretty dark green. I am so much more excited now. I was happy to try the formula, but now that it's a color, especially a deep color, how fun is that? I would totally like do like a quick wing and then smudge it out. That would be so pretty. So now I have 2 things that I am truly good and excited for. But our next product is a lip. Okay, so last up is the Gloss Bomb Heat Universal Lip Luminizer and Plumper. I have not tried any of these. If I had been at Sephora, so many things I would have tried so much sooner. But when you're not like right up in it, you can like turn a blind eye to all the new stuff. Like at some point I would like to not do that and just be constantly going to Sephora and picking out what's brand new and what I can make content for, but you know, your girls gotta pay the bills first. So Gloss Bomb Heat, and this is the shade Hot Cherry. Gloss Bomb, the smell of it reminds me of fruit stripe gum. Like there's something, it's in there. I've locked that into my memory. So every time I smell Gloss Bomb, that's what I think of. But this is cute. I can feel the tingle. It's not like extremely burning or anything, which I kind of prefer. She's cute. Okay, I like this. Let me rate these. I'll rate these. So number 1, Gloss Bomb. Number 2, the KVD liner. Number 3, definitely the Dr. Brandt. Probably the under eye mask next, but honestly that and the palette are kind of hand in hand. Overall, again, not a bad assortment, just very particular reasons why I would rather share than keep. You know what I'm saying. I've already said it. So that was the Glam Bag Plus. Y'all let me know what you think about these. I feel like, honestly, decent assortments. I'm just choosing to be picky, choosing to not use things, and you know, I feel like next month I'm gonna want to use everything. I do have my BoxyCharm still that I am going to try, and I think I have a special box coming. But anyway, I was really excited to talk to you guys again virtually, and I have missed filming these videos. Like it's something different than anything else that I do, but it's so bittersweet because I love you guys and I love filming the videos, which is such a good and wonderful thing. But then on the flip side of it, it's so disheartening to spend so much time and then have them get like no views. And I know that's partially just a YouTube thing, I know. At any rate, enough about that. I hope you guys enjoyed the unbagging. I'm going to try to do a try on of my BoxyCharm in maybe a few days. In the meantime, if you do miss seeing my content for some reason, definitely make sure you're over on TikTok following me there. I've been posting maybe like 4 days a week, you know, as much as I feel that I can, and my hard work is paying off a little bit there, so I've been really excited to continue with that platform. So anyway, I hope you guys have an amazing day or night or week or month or year, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.